Gotta have my mud, my cup of brown stuff, and a Brown's cup of all things. Let's have some water too. Welcome to the worst ASMR video ever. Welcome to the channel. I'm SB Mitch. Here's some social info you can follow on, what is up there? Twitter and Twitch? Don't follow on Twitch. I don't really Twitch much that much anymore. But you can subscribe to the channel if you want to see more beater boxes, because that's my whole thing. Hello, pals! What the heck was that? It was a terrible intro, that's for sure. Hey, we got another beater box from Sole Supremacy, because it's Friday. This box was $625 plus $50 to ship it here to Chicago, Illinois for a grand total of $675 clearance. Clearance is a counter. That's what we use to keep track of how much the box is worth. So let's open that thing and see just that. Okay. I'm opening this box on the same day as the box from last week. I just happened to take a shower in between then. Okay, $625, good price range. Probably a decent chance of some good shoes in here. And immediately I see an Under Armour Curry. So I am a huge liar. Let's do that one first because I'm not gonna know anything about it. I think it's an 8, Curry 8. Yeah, Curry 8 BHM, so it means Black History Month. Oh, it's a size 11. This is a size 11 Curry 8 Black History Month colorway. Interesting looking shoe. Probably a good performance basketball shoe. They are worn. There's some outsole wear. It doesn't look like there's like much drag or like anything crazy going on with it. Probably a good basketball shoe. I doubt there's any value just because Under Armour has no value. If Sole Supremacy was anywhere else but the Bay Area, no one would have these. I'm sorry, but no one would have these. There you go. Size 11, Under Armour Curry 8. Hey, if you want to buy those, cool. SBMitch.com, 6 p.m. today. That's where they will be for sale, unless they sell on a secondary market first. Because this video probably won't be live for about 2.5 weeks. No, week and a half after I open the box. Grade School Jordan, 7 Youth Jordan 10 Retro Premium GG. Okay, there's a sock with like cards and stuff in here, like credit cards. Folks, pay attention to what you're putting in your shoes that you're selling. This person has a lot of credit cards. This is scary. Folks, pay attention to when you're selling stuff. Good Lord. Anyway, back to the shoe. What else is in here? A negative COVID test? What? Well, here's a shoe. These are worn. I think these are just like pearl Jordan 10s. I think it's supposed to be like a women's colorway. Could be wrong though. They're in really good shape. There's just a little bit of toe box greasing, very little outsole wear. Full Jumpman in there. I don't know if it's gonna pick it up, probably not. So, I mean, these are lightly worn. It's kind of a cool colorway, I guess. I just can't get over someone leaving credit cards in their shoes that they're selling. So, 7 Youth, which does make this a men's size 7, so it would be a woman's 8.5. There you go. I can compose myself after that. Okay, back to shoes. Hey, look, a StockX tag. I just threw it across my apartment because that's what I do. Let's grab this. 10.5 Cortez Kenny 4. Lightly worn, good condition. A pair of the house shoes. These are the Cortez Kendrick Lamar house shoes. They have no laces, so that's the whole thing. You wear them in the house. This is actually a really cool colorway. There's one of these weird sneaker ball thingies in here. Ugh, that's why it smells so strong. I don't really know what these are going for now, because I remember when they first came out, just because Kendrick Lamar was like kind of hot at that point. Maybe there's a little bit of value, but they're super lightly worn. I mean, hardly any outsole wear. Did I show you guys yet? I don't remember. I'm still reeling from that other thing, but there you go. 10.5 Cortez Kenny house shoes. Very cool. Got another early 2010s Jordan release in a size 10. It's the Jordan 13 Retro. Nice. They're worn. No surprise that these are traded in or sold to Sole Supremacy. Get a pair of 2011 Flints, or is it 2010? 2010 or 2011? 2010, that's right. 2010 Flints. As you know, these retroed last year, so a lot of people sold their old pairs because they just want a new one, so can't really blame them. Probably, in my opinion, one of the best colorways of a Jordan 13, just because silver and blue, gray and blue. That's like my thing. Really dig them. But overall, these are in good shape. There is insole wear. Are these the original insoles? Yeah, that is the original insoles. There is a little bit of outsole wear. Not much though. These are older, so there is a chance for separation. There is a little bit of separation on the toe box on the lateral side right there, and on the medial side, which is no surprise because when you walk, you go like that. So, in case you forgot how you walk, why do people watch this channel? Size 10, Flint 13s from 2010. Box is a little beat up. Still very, very cool though. So we got 3 more in here. Let me grab this. Looks like a 5 or a 6 or something like that. Size 10, Jordan 5 Retro. Oh yeah, these. So these are those Jordan 5 SE, the Michigan colorway. Michigan-esque colorway. Comes with the original receipt. It's this all suede, yellow leather. These need cleaned. Cleaned really bad, actually. You can see a lot of dirt on the uppers. I have a very good method for cleaning that kind of stuff, so no harm, no foul. There's Jordan's head and arm are left on the insole. Yeah, these are in okay shape. They just need a cleanup, so can't really complain. Size 10, Jordan 5, I guess special edition, Michigan, not player edition, special edition. I remember when people were selling those in the Oregons for way too much money on StockX because they know nothing about sneakers. Beat up box. Size 10, Jordan 11 Retro. Very cool. Insert, you know what that means. Got a pair of Brud 11s. This is the 2012 release. As you know, they re-released in 2019 with the more higher cut patent leather. A lot of people do prefer this cut on the 11s though. There's a good amount of creasing on the ankle, creasing on the toe box because it's patent leather, and why not? It does have the original shoe trees, which is good. Jumpman is almost gone. Outsole wear, pretty standard for a 8 or 9 year old shoe. These are in good shape though. These will clean up really nicely, so you cannot complain about that. Plus it's one of the most just iconic classic Jordan 11 colorways, or Jordan colorway in general, ever to release. So size 10, Brud 11s from 2012. And here's your last pair. It's a Jordan 1. It's not gonna be shattered backboards or anything great, but hey, whatever. Bah! Size 12, Jordan 1 Retro High OG. Dig it. They are worn, not beat, but worn enough. Probably the most versatile fit shoe in the world. Shadow 1s. This is the 2017 release, so they're newer. A lot of toe box creasing. Pretty good amount of heel drag. I don't know if you can see some of the white on there, right there, but it's not terrible. A little bit of star loss on the forefoot too. Insoles need a good cleanup. There's no more Jumpman, and they're a little bit dirty, so these are gonna need the full cleaning not special. Does have the secondary laces, so that's good. They just need cleaned up, and if you are okay with a slightly worn pair, then awesome. And you're a size 12, obviously, because if you're not a size 12, these will do nothing for you. But that is the last shoe, size 12, Jordan 1 Shadow. That is a $625 Sole Supremacy beater box. This box is actually really good. Let's check out the numbers right now. The numbers you just saw will probably confirm my suspicion that this is a very, very good box. There's a lot of easy colorways. The Jordans are pretty popular models, so cannot complain. If you want to buy any of these, they will be available on my website today at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and you can find that website by opening your web browser and going to sbmitch.com. Before that happens, they will all, the worn pairs, well, there's no new pairs in here, so every pair in this box will be cleaned and disinfected with the Reshoevn8r family of products. And if you want to order some stuff from Reshoevn8r, use my code SBMitch10 at checkout, and it'll save you 10% off the entire thing. Because who doesn't love saving money? Crickets. I knew it. Nobody doesn't like saving money. Hey, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Hope you have a really good weekend. Until the next video, see ya. Keep sneakers fun, because they're supposed to be fun. Bye.